Hello students, this is class 8, chapter 1, crop production and management, agriculture practices, lecture number 4. Today we will study about topic irrigation. What is the meaning of irrigation? It is supplying water to the plant. Supplying water to the plant is called irrigation. In this figure, water is supplied to the fields and this process is called irrigation. And irrigation is very important for plant growth. Sources of irrigation. We get water from pond, lake and tube for irrigation. This is pond and this is lake and this is tube. Next, there are two methods of irrigation. First is traditional method of irrigation. Second is modern method of irrigation. In traditional method of irrigation, we use moat and dekli. In this moat, we use bucket and this is well, and water is pulled out from the well manually and supplied to the plants. This is daily. In this arrangement, a rope and bucket is used and water is pulled out through this rope and supplied to the plants, and this is called daily. Next is rehat. Fourth is chain pump. In rehat arrangement, a wheel is used and this is the bucket attached with this wheel, and this is the ox. And what is the purpose of this ox? This ox rotates this arrangement, and when then this wheel rotates and water is supplied to the plant through this arrangement. And this is the chain pump. In this chain pump arrangement, two wheels are used. One wheel is used in the figure and second is partially dipped in the water source. And this is the chain attached to the wheels. When this chain moves, and this is the bucket attached to the wheel, and then water is supplied to the plants through chain pump. Next, modern method of irrigation. There are two modern method of irrigation: sprinkler system and drip irrigation. This is called sprinkler system and this is drip irrigation. Firstly, we will discuss only sprinkler system. In this sprinkler system, perpendicular pipes are used. Perpendicular pipes means these are perpendicular to the surface. These perpendicular pipes are used in this arrangement. The perpendicular pipes having rotating nozzles on the top is at the top there is a rotating nozzle are joined to the main pipeline at regular interval. These pipes are joined to the main pipeline. Second, when water is allowed to the flow through the main pipeline under pressure with the help of pump, it escapes from rotating nozzles and gets sprinkled on the crops like rain. It is spread like rain and supplied to the plants. Second is drip irrigation. In this, water falls drop by drop just at the position of roots. In this arrangement, water is supplied to the plants drop by drop, which is shown in the figure. It is the best technique for supplying water because it saves water and provides water directly to drop by drop. Disadvantage of excess irrigation: seeds cannot respire.